Hello everyone. Now, if you are part in a war and you want to win, there is only really one way, which is on the battlefield. In this case, I am not at war for one of my territory, but I'm helping someone. Here, there is this guy that is trying to defend himself against a revolt. This guy. And the way that it works is that one of those guys cannot really fight anymore. It's gonna lose, it's gonna end. You can see here the war score and how much it's related to battlefield and occupation. Eventually, if you win enough battles or occupy enough territory for long enough, and this guy or the other don't have enough if they don't have enough men to continue fighting or money to pay some mercenaries, they will eventually lose and offer peace. That is really how you win a war, is just by getting territory, sieging places and controlling it, and eventually winning on the battlefield if that is necessary. It's just gonna take a bit of time, but sieging places and winning on the battlefield eventually will lead you to win a war. It's pretty simple, really. So, I hope you liked this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you next time!